Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. My name is Tom and today be riding along with me as I drive east on I-70 in Missouri. But first of all, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. And if this video is something you find entertaining, I'd encourage you to check out some of my other videos from this trip or other road trips I have taken. I'd also appreciate it if you could support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and maybe becoming a subscriber as well. Also, I would like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to travel along with me on some of the best highways that America has to offer. So this video begins heading east on I-70 in St. Charles. As we continue our way on I-70, we will drive into the city of St. Louis and finally cross the Mississippi River and will enter the state of Illinois. After that, I-70 will merge with I-55, and then we'll drive out of East St. Louis to where I-55 and I-70 split, which is where this video will end. This video is from the 10th day of my adventure to the West Coast and back, which has not only featured a handful of beautiful national parks and monuments, but also thousands of miles of dashcam video just like this one, including I-10 through the Inland Empire of California and or Utah 148 through Cedar Breaks National Monument. If you missed any of those videos, be sure to check out the playlist from this trip to catch up. Also, make sure to check out the video description to see a full list of places we have been or are going to be, and also ways to financially support my channel and the creation of more road trip videos just like this. Finally, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any videos from this or future trips as well. But for now, I'm going to keep driving east on I-70 in the show me state of Missouri. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please help me out by clicking that like button, or maybe chipping in for gas with the super thanks. In the next video from this trip, we'll continue east on I-70 in Illinois, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.